Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO at WorkMovr. Let's talk about maps, distances, driving routes. Well, first of all, we always use Google Maps as our go-to application for this and use the Caspio REST APIs to access Google Maps. So here's the standard, okay? You have an address here and Google Maps comes back with country, city, state, zip. These are verified addresses. These are all correct, the city postcode. Very useful in the United States, the county, because all the legal and property records are kept at the county, so that's very useful. Latitude and longitude we'll talk about in a moment. And also local time and time zone. And because, you know, like the Florida Panhandle has a different time zone, summertime, you know, daylight savings time, it just makes much more sense to get that from Google Maps than to try and have it updated ourselves. And here's the basic map. And as far as driving distances and routes and everything, here's a test we did that shows the capability, I think. So I actually drove from Yuma, Arizona to Goodyear, Arizona. And what we did, we set up in Caspio, as I was a trucking company, a load order and put in the origin destination pair and did the map and everything like that, sent it into Caspio and then from Caspio to Google Maps. And then we also set up a periodic check-in. So every couple of hours, the Caspio would send an SMS message to my phone, and I'd check the phone, and it would grab the GPS coordinates and also send back a message to Caspio to see that where I was and that all was going well. And so here's the progress reports that came back into Caspio from my iPhone and with the latitude and longitude picked up from the iPhone, okay? So started off in the hotel, Starbucks, you know, truck stop, and Oasis Bagels and whatever, okay? Where I stopped. And then that plotted on the map here. And then we had the waypoints where I checked in. And just to check exactly, this is what Caspio reported back from my phone. And then afterwards, what we did, we went to just regular Google Maps manually and got from Google Maps what Google Maps thought was. And you can see that we're, you know, within a, you know, couple of yards, we're exactly the same place. So that was really satisfying. And so we use Google Maps for visits, driving instructions, those sorts of things. If you don't have a very big volume, okay, if you have a big volume, what we might think about is we also integrate with OnFleet. And so if you're doing a lot of package deliveries or a lot of like nurse visits or whatever, you know, we have a different video on our OnFleet integration, which is perhaps more useful if you have a high volume of driving and package deliveries. So thank you.